Once upon a time, there was a partnership fair in Vienna. One of the groups was exploring possibilities of introducing controversial global issues into subject teaching. Soon after the event, the group of 10 NGOs formed a partnership and under the leadership of Polish organization Center for Citizenship Education, successfully applied for a funding of the project called Global Issues, Global Subjects.
It was really important for us that the teachers were involved in all parts of the project and really steered and led the programme. They wrote the resource materials, including trying them in the classrooms and giving feedback. They also helped us design the trainings. They co-facilitated lots of the trainings. And I think having teachers really centrally involved in the project really added to its success and meant that all teachers were keen to participate because it was led by teachers for teachers.
One of the main challenges is to collaborate with the teachers. However, it took quite a long time, but as they have a lot of experience in the classrooms, the daily experience with the children, they found the best way how we can form the activities, the methods, really in a really colorful way to show the children about the SDGs and the controversial issues in the lessons.
Today, we can proudly present the collection of subject toolkits with ready-to-use lesson plans for geography, ethics, math, and other school subjects in 9 European languages. These toolkits are innovative teaching resources aimed at supporting teachers when addressing global topics and controversial issues like migration, gender equality, or climate change with young people. They represent a novelty among existing global education materials, as thematic publications still dominate among existing resources.
Uporabno vrednost priročnikov vidimo v tem, da so vsebine usklajene z učnim načrtom ter predstavljene tako, da jih kot učiteljica zlahka prenesemo v prakso. Namreč poleg jasno zapisane vsebine, poteka, učnih ur ali delavnic, ki so tudi v nadaljevanju ponujene, so podprte v prilogi z mnogimi gradivi, kot so infografike, članki, aktualizirani ali učni listi, kar mi zelo skrajša čas pri pripravi neke učne ure.
Teaching is challenging. I always ask myself how to plan a lesson in order to inspire students not just to learn the subject, but make them also aware of the impact of their daily choices as global citizens.
In GIGS, we were daring. We dared to design trainings for teachers that invited them out of their comfort zones. We dared to present them with rare opportunities to decolonize their knowledge, to feel the injustices, and to open their minds to new perspectives.
Global issues, global subjects has been really important for us in England because it's allowed us to very closely link controversial issues and to sustainable development goals very closely to the core taught curricula instead of it being an extra add-on for teachers to include.
For most of the countries, it was a new approach to include global education into the math lessons. And I think it's the connection can give us the opportunity to give some meaning to abstract numbers and to see the reality behind some global issues and global topics.
Our workshops and other activities were aimed at motivating and supporting young people in exploring global issues and taking action in their local communities. Their ideas of a better, fairer, and more sustainable world are truly inspiring and will have a long-term impact on their peers. So we believe more local campaigns and action will follow.